Hello guys, this is a bonus lecture. Here I will provide some discount coupon for my other courses. I am already created the 5 series. First is on the JSON, in which you can learn about the JSON, which include the JSON data types and the JSON schema. Second course is on the Cordova, in which you can learn about the Apache Cordova for creating the hybrid mobile application that can run on the Android, Windows and iOS. Third course is on the ASP.NET Web API 2, in which you can learn how to create the web APIs. Fourth course is on the Entity Framework Code 2.0, in which you can learn how to use the Entity Framework Code 2 in the ASP.NET Core by using the SQL Server. One of my courses uploaded on the YouTube, so you can access it freely, which was on the browser view engine, using which you can create the web pages. Because of you are already subscribed to my course, you can buy each of those courses for the $10 only. Coupon for those courses is available in description too. You can also follow my YouTube channel and visit my blog to read the technical post, as well as follow my page on the Facebook to get the discount on my latest courses. Thank you.